Good morning, Valley High School. Dr. Christensen here with your Monday message, which you'll probably be watching on Tuesday because we don't have school on Monday. So that's the first thing to go over. We don't have school on Monday. Whenever we don't have school on Monday, then on Tuesday, we run a Friday schedule, which is an 8 period day. And this is how we stay on track. Then Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday are normal Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday schedules. On Thursday is your only advisory for this week. Advisory is very important to be attending. I know in the past sometimes that hasn't always been the case, but it is now. We need you to be in advisory. It's an important period in your day, just like every other period. On Thursday in advisory, you will be going over transportation expectations from the Department of Transportation whenever you're on a bus for West Des Moines Community Schools. And then we're also going to start setting up our circle uh, roles and responsibilities for how we have conversations in our advisory around the many topics that you will be having. So that's your advisory for Thursday. The 4CP message for this week is the same as it was for last week. These are the two big things that we're focusing on. Continuous learning. So we're going to continue to learn about how the school operates around all the different 4CPs. And this is about how lunch works, how breakfast works, how it works in the hallway, how it works in the classroom. Our two big focuses that you'll notice that teachers are focusing on around continuous learning and on professionalism is being to class on time. So you've heard me say on the announcements every period, on time means early. So professionalism is to be on time, and that means to be early, to be there and be prepared once you get there, not to come in after the fact. That's actually disrespectful and shows that you're not prepared or that this, whatever class you're coming into, whatever meeting you're coming into, is not important. And they are important. So we're going to continue to work on learning to hear the 2 minute warning and start walking and being to class before the bell rings, starting bell work before the bell rings. And that's when we're going to start to use PBIS rewards. We're going to start talking more about what kind of rewards students would like to earn with the points that they're getting for being on time means early. And we're going to evolve this and build it with you as we continue the school year. The other big focus is on technology use. So we want you to use your Chromebooks appropriately. We want you to have your cell phones put into the caddies appropriately. And that's from the time the bell rings until the bell rings at the end of the period. And so, if for some reason we have trouble with how we're using our technology, that could be a minor. And minors we also enter in PBIS rewards, and that is new for this year. Those are our two big focuses right now. And we got better last week as it went on, and we know we'll continue to get better as the year goes on. You're going to see more adults in the hallway and before and after school as we help all of you find your way around the building to be on time. All right, Dr. C signing out. Go Tigers.